Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Christmas Pikachu. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the fur on the hat. Let's draw a few bumpy lines across, and then curve it down on both sides. Now underneath, let's draw the sides of the head by bringing it out and curving it back in. Next, we're going to hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 circles for the eyes. Now inside each eye in the top corner, let's draw another circle. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. Next, let's hop in between the eyes and let's draw a small black triangle for the nose. And now underneath for the mouth, let's draw 2 curves going out and up. And then a longer curve underneath. And then add a curve inside for the tongue. Lastly, let's add a curve on each cheek. And that's it for the face. Now let's move up and let's finish drawing the hat and the ears. Let's start on top of the head on the sides here, and let's draw a bumpy line up. And then continue it across on top. Next on top, let's draw the ears. Let's start by drawing 2 curves meeting up at a point on the left. And the same thing on the right side. Now inside the end of each ear, let's draw a curve down. And color the ends in black. And that's it for the ears. Now let's finish drawing the hat. Let's start on the top of the right ear and let's draw a curve up. Make it a little bit wavy and back down. Now let's continue it on the other side of the ear. And then curve it back in. Now on top of the left ear, let's draw 2 small curves going up like this. And then at the end of the hat, let's draw the pom-pom with a bumpy line around in a circular shape. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move back in and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on both sides and let's draw a curve up and out. And then another curve underneath. Now to close off the ends, let's draw a point up at the top. And then 4 more going outwards. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop down underneath and let's continue drawing the body. Let's angle it out and then curve it in at the bottom. And then close off the bottom with a wavy line across like this. Now top underneath and let's add the feet by drawing 2 curves under the body. And then add 2 curves inside at the ends for the toes. And that's it for the shape of the body. Next, let's draw the Christmas lights. Let's start on top of each arm and let's draw a curve up and then curve it down, meeting in the center. And now let's thicken this line up slightly. Now let's continue the Christmas lights. Underneath the right arm, let's draw a wavy line down. And then continue it across and underneath the body. Now top up underneath the other arm and let's curve it down. And then loop it around and back in. And now let's thicken this line up as well. Now that we have the string, let's add the light bulbs. Let's start on the top right above the hand and let's draw 2 curves meeting up at a point. And then work our way down across in the center here. And then another one on the top left. And then work our way down like this. And that's it for the Christmas lights. Lastly, for Pikachu, let's add the tail. Let's start next to the head on the left and let's draw an angle out. Continue it on the other side of the light and past the hat. And then bring it down from the end. Now underneath, let's angle it back in. Now let's hop down underneath the arm here and let's draw another angle out, back in, and down. And then underneath the left arm, another angle out and back in. And that's it for this Christmas Pikachu. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!